Guys, welcome to Skill Hub. Today I'm gonna show how to convert a image to a scratch. So now I'm going to open this image. This is the Recep tayyip Erdogan, and now I'm going to the layer and click this layer and copy this layer again. So Control J for copy and going to the image and adjustment. Then you see the desaturate. Okay, it's now black and white, and I also copy this black and white layer. So press the Control J and it's now copy another time. So and you also press the Control and I for the negative this image. Okay, you see the blending option and color judge, and it's now totally white. No problem, guys. And select the first layer and go to the filter and then go to the blur and glossier blur. It is 0, and then you increase that. It's look like a scratch. Okay, I think it's now good. And select the first layer and go to the levels and increase the levels for mode black. Okay, it's now good. And go to the layer and you see the brightness and contrast, and decrease the brightness and increase the contrast. Click the first layer and you press the Control Alt Shift E for all the layer in the one. Okay, and now I am go to the filter and add some noise, and this noise add depend on you. I think this amount is better for me, 33. Okay, and I also add some sharpen in the layer and go to the smart sharpen, and you decrease this zoom and increase just radius. Okay, not amount, not reduce noise, just increase that and press OK. It's now processing. Yeah, I am also copy this layer again. So press the Control and J and go to the filter and see the filter gallery. Okay, filter gallery is now 100% zoom. It's make 33. Okay, you see the poster EDGS here and lot of option in the artistic option, and you click the poster EDGS and there are also many option. There you select the poster EDGS, and there's first and third option is 0, and you can make when its middle option is the 0, then you see the it's now 5 and more of the black added with this image. I'm now pressing OK. Select the first layer and go to the masking, layer masking. Yeah, you see the white option create now in the layer, and click the white option and see that the foreground color is black and foreground color is the white. So click the brush tool and you see the brush size. You can increase and decrease in here. So I am now remove the background, so brush in here background. You remove the background of the black option. You see that the black color and this gallery, black color and filter gallery, it's now good match. But if you remove the black corn from the white, it gives a good identity. Okay, guys, if you see that, it's really show a good. And now I am make the foreground color white and background color is the black. So brush in here, you see some black added with them. And I also remove from there, so black color in the foregrounds, remove and remove brush. If you brushing here, it's removed from there. Okay, I think this the I add some the corn. Okay, and for add foreground color is the white. Okay, yeah, I'm also adding the black. Okay, guys, it's look now so good. It's the look a real pencil crash. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment below and like our video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for your time.